A team of BYU researchers have found new insight into how metabolism impacts the likelihood of getting Alzheimer's. Kelsey Nield is in the studio. Kelsey, what did the researchers find?
According to the Alzheimer's Association, more than 6 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's. It's a growing health concern with many people searching for a solution. Researchers here at BYU have some new insight into the disease.
Here in the Life Sciences building is where Associate Professor Dr. Bikman and grad student Erin Sato are researching how the brain is impacted by its ability to break down glucose. This study found that the brain over time can become resistant to insulin, making it harder for the brain to break down glucose and fuel itself.
Because of this brain starvation, your brain kind of degenerates, and that's what leads to cognitive decline.
Through the observation of brain tissues from deceased Alzheimer's patients, they found that the genes used to break down glucose were compromised in those diagnosed with the disease.
In our study, we kind of investigated the molecular mechanisms of this to see if this kind of phenomenon is observable at the level of gene expression.
The impact of this research means that doctors can potentially detect the disease in people in their 20s and help to prevent it.
In fact, helps us detect the problem much sooner, and it helps us treat it a little better.
Dr. Bikman says the best two ways to fill the gap of glucose breakdown is by boosting the brain's second energy source, ketones, or by maintaining insulin levels.
Nowadays, we're living in a state of chronically elevated insulin. And ironically or paradoxically, too much insulin can cause insulin resistance.
Insulin levels can be managed by limited added sugars and starches in your diet. One interesting finding that stood out to Dr. Bikman is the benefits from regular fasting to increase ketone levels.
And I think it's quite interesting that this is a part of our culture, certainly here at BYU, that we've long embraced.
It seems that there are hidden health benefits to religious fasting for members of the Church of Jesus Christ. What these BYU researchers have found is a huge contribution to the study of Alzheimer's. They hope that their research can go on to help patients and the medical community. Reporting for Universe Live, I'm Kelsey Nield.
Thanks, Kelsey.